The Night Sky Cocoon Cardigan is a super easy crochet pattern that will help you create the warmest cardigan you've ever worn. So let's see what we need to make this beautiful sweater. First of all, the Night Sky is created in one piece. It's crocheted flat and in the round. It's super beginner friendly. You're going to need two hook sizes, a 10 millimeter and an 8 millimeter. The yarn is number 6, and that's a chunky, and it's shown here in Lion Brand Respun Thick and Quick, and the color is Night Sky. I'm going to be demonstrating the small medium size today in this free crochet pattern video, and for that you will need 5 skeins of this yarn. Our gauge today is 8 stitches by 6 rows, and the sizes are small medium, large extra large, 2x 3x, and 5 and 4XL. And these fit up to, the largest size fits up to a 52-inch full bust. The model that you see here is wearing a size small, and she has a 33-inch full bust. It's important to measure your full bust so that you can get the look that you want. If you want extremely oversized, then go ahead and just crochet up the next size. The other sizes, large through 5XL, are available at bddpatterns.com. Let's get started. With your 10 millimeter hook, please chain 59 loosely. For row 1, we are going to crochet a finished edge so that joining and adding the armhole ribbing will be easy peasy. Go ahead and crochet into the back bars of each stitch in order to achieve this finished edge. Single crochet into the second back bar from the hook, and then single crochet into the next 5 back bars. Half double crochet into the back bars of the next 46 stitches, and single crochet into the last 6 back bars. Chain 1 and turn. We will now be crocheting over 58 stitches. Row 2. Single crochet into the first stitch, back loop single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Then half double crochet into the back bars of the next 46 stitches. Back loop single crochet into the next 5 stitches and single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Row 3. Here we are. Now we're starting to see how everything is coming together and where the right side of the cocoon shrug is and where the wrong side of the cocoon shrug is. The wrong side are usually the odd rows and the right side are the even rows. So with that in mind, what we're going to do here is we are going to pull our stitches forward or to the other side. So now we're actually working on the wrong side of the cocoon shrug. So go ahead and single crochet into the first stitch, back loop single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Now work the half double crochets into the front bars of the next 46 stitches. Then back loop single crochet into the next 5 stitches and single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. To make things easier, go ahead and place a stitch marker in any stitch on this side. Row 4. Single crochet into the first stitch, back loop single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Now crochet a regular half double crochet into the next 46 stitches. Back loop single crochet into the next 5 stitches and single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Now you're going to see why this is such an easy pattern, yet it makes a beautiful knit stitch look. Go ahead and for rows 5 through 76, simply repeat rows 2 through 4 consecutively. It really is that easy. Construction. Go ahead and fold your sweater in half lengthwise with the right sides together. Measure 7 inches down from the fold and seam up from the bottom to that measurement. Do this for both sides. Let's form the armhole ribbing. Go ahead and turn your sweater right side out. Then with a smaller or 8mm hook, join the yarn into one of the side seams at the bottom of the opening. Chain 7. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet into the next 5 chains. Now you can see that the ribbing is worked over 6 stitches. Next, slip stitch into the next 2 stitches of the armhole opening. Turn. Skip the 2 slip stitches and back loop single crochet into the next 5 ribbing stitches. Then single crochet into the last stitch, chain 1, and turn. Repeat, working over the 6 ribbing stitches and the slip stitches of the next 2 armhole stitches until you have crocheted ribbing all the way around the opening. Please check the description box for a more detailed video on this simple ribbing technique. Once you've completed the last row of the ribbing, go ahead and slip stitch those 6 stitches together with the first 6 stitches of the first row. Now you're done. Next, you'll just want to go over to the opposite side and work the same ribbing technique around that armhole opening. Fasten off, weave your tails. Congratulations, you just made yourself a wonderful cocoon sweater. For all of my free patterns and stitch techniques, please visit howtocrochetvideos.com.